This video is not financial advice, for entertainment only. Early November I suggested, strong buy. For Nano-X Imaging Limited, Nasdaq, NNOX. Within a month, its stock price has increased 91%. From $27.38 to $52.30 as of today. What is Nano-X Imaging? What they do? Nano-X Imaging Limited engages in the development of medical imaging systems. Its product Nano-X system consists of hardware Nano-X, ARC, and software Nano-X, cloud that provides image repository, radiologist matching, online and offline diagnostics review and annotation, connectivity to diagnostic assistive AI systems, billing, and reporting. The company was founded by Rand Poliakine and Hitoshi Masuda on December 20, 2018, and is headquartered in Neve Elon, Israel. CEO Rand Poliakine is an entrepreneur who lives and breathes innovation. Social impact is at the center of his work, and he continuously strives to leverage advanced technology in order to create companies and solutions that address real human pain points. Even though he is famous of his wireless charge patent, which has been widely used around the world. But to him, Nano-X imaging will be his biggest achievement. Still do not understand what Nano-X imaging really does? How special it is? Let me tell you more. If you ask any oncologist what is the best way to fight cancer and many other diseases, they would tell you early detection. WHO said that if those conditions can be detected by X-ray, synchronous X-ray, why it's not happening? The reason is no accessibility. What Nano-X imaging is trying to do is really with this technology to create accessibility. There is a huge shortage of medical imaging devices in the world today, despite the fact that X-ray technology was invented over 100 years ago. The reason is simply, it's very, very expensive. 2/3 of the world population does not have any access to medical imaging today. Nano-X actually build a full body scanner for as little as $10,000 in mass production. And the company's vision is very simple: place it everywhere. Not only in rich countries but also in poor countries. As I mentioned at my previous video, there are two disruptions for Nano-X imaging. One is cost and the other one is connectivity. It has Nano-X, cloud from which the images uploaded from any location can be viewed, stored, matched with radiologists that can provide diagnostic, including third-party partnerships they have with at least 5 AI annotation company. This is so cool that, for the first time, get images from the cloud, annotate with their algorithm, and the radiologists become an easier job. They allow the cloud to work and have a meeting between patient diagnostic regardless of the territory or geography. Nano-X is not only a technology company, but also a great partner with Fujifilm, Foxconn and SK Telecom. Fujifilm is one of the largest players in healthcare. They are embarking on something that is truly changing life. The concept is very simple. Nano-X is going to place those scanners connected via the internet to the cloud, and charge per scan. They are not going to sell the machine, but rather give away. Only charge for the service. So the entry barrier for customers is very, very low. Because they don't need to put in a lot of capex. And giving them a lot of motivation to really successfully deploy many of those. As the cost to build the scanner to Nano-X is only $10,000. And it will be payback by the charge per scan. $40 per scan, $14 goes to Nano-X in 3 to 4 months if the minimums are met. So after that, all the scan service charge will be Nano-X's pure revenue. Think of 15,000 scanners out there in the first wave. Those scanners can easily be their money machines. Right now regulatory approval is looming. But pre-orders are already pouring in. Nano-X is expecting to get clearances from USA, FDA, by 2021. And from Singapore, Taiwan, Australia, New Zealand, Korea, Mexico, Brazil and others in the first half of next year. In the meantime, the company has already booked about 6,000 pre-orders for Nano-X ARC units. At the current rate of orders, the company believes that it will have an installed base of 15,000 machines by 2024. This might only be the beginning for Nano-X. After raising $190 million in its August IPO and with backing from global tech companies like Fujifilm, SK Telecom and iPhone manufacturer Foxconn, Nano-X says it has $244 million in cash on the books. The first 15,000 machines will reportedly only cost $144 million to $194 million to manufacture, with the leftovers earmarked for general operating purposes. Nano-X imaging has no competitor. The legacy medical device companies cannot compete with Nano-X imaging due to its low price. After its FDA clearance approval, Nano-X imaging will be eligible to release thousands of its scanners into the market, allowing it to start penetrating the giant market ahead. After doing my own research on the company, I have discovered that this company is not only legitimate, but rather one of the most innovative companies today, with the potential to give access to medical screening to billions of people around the world. The company could potentially be a market worth $50 billion. But right now NNOX's market cap is only $1.53 billion. There is 50x potential. Small market caps operating in big industries. Investors on both sides of the aisle should be interested to know that. Next week from November 29 to December 5, in Chicago, Nano-X will demonstrate its Nano-X ARC system at the annual Radiology Society of North America (RSNA) conference, the largest radiology conference in the world, with over 50,000 attendees. The demonstration will be live-streamed globally. If the demonstration goes well and has good reviews, the stock will have a monumental jump, easily scream past $60. Nano-X imaging can change the world for its disruptive technology in a huge marketplace. For long-term, NNOX as the stock can pay off in a big way. This is my analysis for NNOX today. Please subscribe below in order to receive my daily analysis and findings. Thanks for watching.